Today in Riley's test kitchen, we will be making condom eggs. They're kind of similar to the eggs in a bag that you may have seen, like you boil eggs in a Ziploc bag. Same concept, but in a condom. To make condom eggs, you'll obviously need some condoms and eggs, and milk, cheese, salt, pepper, or cayenne. I always call it Kanye, see. Whatever you put in scrambled eggs or an omelet. And a pot for boiling water. Whatever you're going to put in your eggs, just break the eggs into a pot or a bowl, whatever makes that you want to mix them in. It's easier to put the eggs from a cup into a condom though. Some cheese, salt, Kanye pepper, and mix it all up. Now that your eggs are mixed up, pour them into the condom and tie it off. There we go. So, when your water is nice and hot, just set the condom into the water and wait for the eggs to get firm. Your eggs are done. They should be firm and have a little bit of bounce. Now all you have to do is cut them out of the condom. I like my eggs with a little bit of ranch. How do you like your eggs, Molly?
They're actually pretty good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You like condom eggs too, don't you, girl? Yeah. There's not actually any logical reason to make eggs in a condom. It's more of a thing to gross out your mom or somebody. And it's kind of funny. Enjoy the recipe.